How to send a message in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and want to read on how to send a message to someone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to send a message, simply choose one channel or someone you would like to send the message. Just like this. You can also start a new message by tapping on here. Tap on it. Now simply search for the channel or conversation you would like to send to. Just like this. Now simply tap a random message. Just like this. Then tap onto the send button. And now you can see the message has been sent. So that's it. This is how you can send a message in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.